We needed the problem fixed of the water heater. The plumber explained everything that I asked about. They installed the one that we chose. I have total confidence in the length of time the water heater will last, because it's good quality we got and well installed. We have Abacus come out with the Abacus Club every year to do an inspection. We get it flushed out every year. I believe that that will add years to its life. I have recommended Abacus to friends and family. We've been using them for 6 years now, and we always feel most confident in the work performed in our house.